It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. You always give a little extra effort. It's what separates you from everyone else. You deserve a truck that matches that philosophy, and you've found it right here. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.